The OnePlus Watch comes only in one variant. It has a stainless steel case and is 46mm in size. Now 46mm could appear quite large for those with thinner wrists. The OnePlus Watch features an OLED display and runs its own software. The smartwatch works with a companion app called OnePlus Health. The OnePlus Watch enables users to monitor heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep, and air pressure, among others. The watch also offers many workout modes, which includes walking, jogging, running, marathon, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, freestyle training, swimming, and more. The OnePlus Watch comes with warp charge fast charging support. OnePlus claims that the smartwatch offers a 7 days battery life with just 20 minutes of charging. When fully charged, the OnePlus Watch promises to deliver 14 days of battery life. Users will also be able to connect the smartwatch with the OnePlus TV and use it as a remote. The device comes with an IP68 rating, which makes it dust and water resistant.